Number 1, the person holding up the security line, because they are wearing every piece of jewelry they own.
You guys are blocking the checking line.
Move out of the way.
Sir, you got to take off all of your necklaces.
Why?
Because it's required. You need to go through security before you can go to your departure gate.
Lol, hey, give me a second.
Are those candy corn teeth?
Yes, sir.
You're holding up the line. Hurry up.
Your wings are blocking my face.
Are you done? What's this girl taking so long? I'm gonna be late for my flight to Big Chungria. Sir, please hurry up. These other passengers are waiting.
Oh, I think that's all the jewelry I have. Wait, never mind. I have more.
Christmas cookie necklace?
Yup.
Number 2, the person who is upset at every aspect of traveling. Ma'am, you can't bring 10 katanas and 50 Louis Vuitton bags on the airplane.
Why?
Because they are not allowed.
Why? Okay, fine, bossy. Can I get my boarding pass?
Ma'am, you just missed your flight.
What do you mean I missed my flight? I just got here.
Your flight was at 9 a.m. And the time is 5:30 p.m. right now.
GRR. You guys don't know how to do your jobs. Southwest is the worst airline ever. You always delay my bloody flights. Style up. How can you be increasing your flight prices for such nonsense?
Then why did you pick this airline in the first place?
I'm suing this airline. Can't stop me.
Security. Number 3, the person with far too many luggage.
Excuse me. Pardon me? Daddy Yoda coming through? Sorry. Excuse me. Daddy coming through? Pardon me. Whoops!
Ow. Wah. Number 4, the important businessman flexing first class.
Oh boy. First class. Bought it all with my hard-earned money. Hey broke people. Look what I have here. First class. Better than your dumb economy class. Haha!
Sir, this is business class.
I'm better than all of you.
Sir, please take your seat, we're about to take off.
Sorry, I don't speak broke, lady. Okay, time to work on my company's assignment for the rest of my flight.
Number 5, the nervous flyer. Chris, when is this plane gonna take off? I don't know, probably in a few minutes. I feel like we are gonna die. We're gonna malfunction and crash into the ocean or the Sahara Desert. What are you talking about? H. We're gonna crash and die. Help me. H. We haven't even taken off yet. H. BARFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffffff thinks it's appropriate to bring food on board and stink up the whole plane?
Yummy. Huh.
Number 7, the person who refuses to get off their call before the takeoff.
Let me tell you something, John. One time in my chemistry class, while the teacher was talking, this guy asked loudly, "Does anyone have any lotion?" The teacher stopped talking as some girl gave him some lotion.
Sir, please turn off your phone, we're about to take off.
The guy proceeds to slowly rub the lotion on his face as the whole class watches him in confusion. The teacher asks him what's he doing, and he responds with "I forgot moisturizer this morning," and puts even more on his face. The teacher asks him to go to the hall to finish his moisturizing because he's being a distraction.
Sir, get off your phone now.
And after about 10 minutes, He still hasn't come back, and so someone opens the door to check, and he's literally still smearing lotion all over his face. He finally comes back and hands the girl the lotion, and he used up half of it. Now people call him Low Tion Boy.
Number 8, the seriously overprepared traveler. Is that a mini fridge and a Haystone Mica pillow?
Why yes.
Sir, it's a 45-minute flight.
Don't worry. I got everything prepared from this flight. Some snacks, drinks, pillows, blankets, toothbrushes, toothpastes, face masks, sleeping masks, headphones, extra clothes, my computer, my bed, my couch, my bathroom, my kitchen, my house, and much more.
Number 9, the chit-chatter.
My mom didn't hold me enough when I was a baby. That's probably why I fell in love with you. So how much do you weigh? I weigh 120 pounds. Can I invite you to my workplace? I currently work as a dog food taster.
If you don't mind, I'd like to stop listening to you. Number 10, the seat kicker. Kick, 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 kick.
Hey kid, stop kicking my seat.
Why?
It's annoying, knock it off.
Why don't you ask your butt?
Excuse me, can you please tell your daughter to stop kicking me? Ugh.
Kick, 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 kick.
Quit kicking my seat.
Quit kicking my seat.
I'm calling the cops.
Number 11, the baby who will inevitably cry the entire flight.
Worry.
GRR. Ugh. Stop this baby from crying. GRR. Do you know what? I'm punching this baby. Punch, 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 punch.
Worry.
Number 12, the person who won't stop getting up to use the restroom. Hey sis, I need to use the restroom. Can you move? Sorry, I need to pee again. Do you mind? Oops, I need to go pee, excuse me for a second. Sorry,
Why do you need to keep using the restroom?
I drank a lot of boba. Okay. Number 13, the girl who is inexplicably doing her makeup for the entire flight. A bit of that and a little bit more, and oops, la 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 la.
What is she doing?
Number 14, the flight's cutest couple. Stop staring at them. Number 15, the drinker. Anything to drink here?
Can I get 5 Coca-Colas?
What?
Can I? Can I get 3 more Coca-Colas and 5 Sprites?
Sir, you can't have that many.
Can I? Can I get 10 Dr. Peppers and 20 7-Ups?
Number 16, the movie watcher. Huh? GRRRRR. Number 17, the serious sleeper. Ma'am, we're about to land in a few minutes. Please wake up.
ZZZZZZZZZZZZZZ.
Number 18, the music blaster.
ZZZZZZZZZZZZ.
What? Number 19, the gum smacker.
This gum tastes good. What are you doing?
Number 20, the person whose arms are all up on your armrest.
Nom nom nom. Huh.